Let's talk about how do we add or subtract complex numbers. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to identify the real parts and the imaginary parts. So when we say imaginary parts, of course, these are numbers which includes I or which has I in it. So just like our addition and subtraction of polynomials, you have to add and subtract similar terms. So that means, okay, so you add or subtract the real numbers, add and subtract the imaginary numbers. So you cannot add real and imaginary numbers. So just combine the real ones and the imaginary ones and then write the terms in a standard form. So when we say standard form, this is your A plus BI. So real number first plus your imaginary number. So let's try to solve number 1. So for number 1, you have negative 5 minus 8i minus 33 plus 4i. So add the real numbers. So you have negative 5 and negative 33. So that means you have negative 38. And then add the imaginary numbers. That would be negative 8i plus 4i. So you have negative 4i. So this is already in standard form. This is your A and this is your BI. So this is our final answer. Next, number 2. So you have 9 plus 4i minus 2 minus 5i. So combine real numbers. So you have 9 minus 2. So that would be 7. 4i minus 5i. That's negative I. So this is our final answer. Number 3 is subtraction. So we have to change the sign of the terms inside this parenthesis, this one. So you have, for number 3, you have 10 minus 3i minus 5 minus 7i. And then combine the real numbers, 10 and negative 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Negative 3i and negative 7i, you have negative 10i. So this is our final answer.